Hello everyone, I'm your host Jason. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make money with NFT online as a complete beginner. And when I say beginner, I mean just like myself here, someone that doesn't know a lot about NFTs and just knows the basics. And in case you don't know, NFT stands for non-fungible token, and NFTs are actually very popular, and you may be wondering why. As if I were to tap on images right here, you can see what an NFT is, as this is one of the most expensive NFTs to be ever sold, and you can see that it's quite simple. And if I were, you can simply tap right there and you could save the image. So you may be wondering, why are persons spending thousands and sometimes even millions on these? Well, it's the same concept like how persons are spending thousands on a shoe, while others are spending just a $10 or $20 to purchase the shoe. It all depends on you, the individual, and some persons are just interested in art and are willing to spend way more than you or I would be willing to. So that's basically the concept. So persons are always willing to spend more on a top brand or something that they like compared to you, and you may be saying, why are they spending such a ridiculous amount of money? That's it. That happens every day. But I will be showing you how you can go in between that and you'll be able to start making some money from NFT online as a complete beginner. Are you ready? Okay. Well, the concept that I'm thinking about and that I would recommend that you implement as a complete beginner to start making some money with NFT is by creating a YouTube channel. And on this YouTube channel, you can talk about NFT news and you can also talk about the basics when it comes to NFT. But you may be wondering, how are you going to get news or so on, or the content to produce on your NFTs? Well, that's quite easy. And by the way, when you are setting up this YouTube channel, you don't have to show your face or anything like that. All you'll be using is your voice, and you'll be using pictures from Google. And all I would recommend you do is simply come onto Google, type in NFT, and you're going to select news. And once you have selected news, you'll be able to see the latest news and articles on NFTs, as you can see right here. And you can create daily videos about this, as videos on NFTs are released daily. And also you can create videos on crypto, the latest crypto news also. And you may think that there are a lot of competitions on YouTube when it comes to this. Well, you'll be surprised that there isn't. As I can scroll down right here, you can see that persons that are creating NFT news videos, you can see this person is getting over 5,000 views daily. And you may be saying that is because he has over 100,000 subscribers. Well, what if I were to show you a video from a page that has only 100 subscribers? Let me scroll down and show you. You can see this page right here released a video 23 hours ago, and if I were to select that page, you can see that they only have 102 subscribers. This is a completely new page, and already they have gotten over 2,000 views on this video. And you can see that the person that created this video isn't showing their face, and this is quite easy to do, as you can create videos like these on Canva or so on. And again, otherwise, from creating videos on NFT news, you could simply type in how to NFT, for example, as you can see right here, and you'll be able to get different keywords that you could use, different keywords that you can use, and you can see that persons are searching for on YouTube, and you could create videos around these. So that's it. That's the concept that I would recommend. And while you have created the videos, you may be wondering how you'll be able to make money, as you know that you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours before you're monetized on YouTube. Well, I would recommend that you sign up to an affiliate program. And as you can see on this website right here, you'll be able to see the 11 best NFT affiliate programs for 2022. So as an affiliate, you'll simply put your link in the description of your YouTube video, and once someone goes and watches your YouTube video and taps on the link, you'll be able to get a commission if they should go onto any one of these platforms and make a purchase. For example, if they should go onto crypto.com, you can see that you'll be able to earn a commission of 10% or $10 to $20, and their commission type is recurring. So you'll be constantly getting that money. And there are other platforms that you can also sign up to their affiliate program. For example, you could sign up to Binance, and you can see that their commission rate is 20%. So these are the options that I would recommend that you try to use to start making some money with NFT as a complete beginner. So you won't need to invest thousands, you won't need to invest even $100. All you'll need is your computer and a microphone, and that's it. You'll be using the internet and you'll be using YouTube to start making some money online. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.